In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to structure your Slack channels for better organization and efficiency. Whether you're managing a small team or a large enterprise, a well-structured Slack workspace can transform your communication. It'll help ensure everyone knows where to find the information they need and where to collaborate effectively with their colleagues. So, let's dive into it. First things first, open your Slack application. This is your starting point where all the magic happens. Once you're in, you'll see your workspace, a collection of all the channels and conversations you're part of. Now, the goal is to organize these channels so that information flows seamlessly. Next, look through your list of channels and identify the ones you want to move to new sections. You might want to consider grouping channels by project, department, or any other criteria that makes sense for your team. This can significantly reduce the time people spend looking for the right place to post a message or find past discussions. Once you've pinpointed the channels to move, click on the channel you want to reorganize. This will open up the channel details. In Slack, channels are where the majority of conversations occur, so organizing them thoughtfully is key. Imagine finding everything you need without switching contexts. How efficient that would be. After selecting your channel, you'll find the Move To option. Click on it and you'll see a menu pop up. This is where you can select the section you'd like the channel to be moved to. If you haven't already created sections in Slack, it's a great idea to think about setting them up now, as they can really help categorize your channels in a logical way. Then, choose a section where you want to move your channel. For example, you might have sections for different teams like marketing or sales or different projects. Click on the section that best fits the channel's purpose. This will help your team members immediately recognize the context and prioritize channels based on relevance and their role. Finally, after selecting the appropriate section, you'll want to confirm your choice. Look for the check mark. Clicking this will confirm that you've moved the channel to its new home. A simple but crucial step to conclude our process. Remember, this small act of confirming ensures your changes are saved and everyone in the workspace can see the updated channel arrangement. And there you have it, your Slack workspace is more organized and intuitive to use. By following these straightforward steps, you've taken a significant leap towards making communication in your workspace clearer and more efficient. A well-organized Slack is not just about tidiness. It's about fostering an environment where great work can happen smoothly. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.